people of Kashmir have been conducting a political struggle for their freedom. But after 9/11, it was oppressed, calling it Islamic radicalism and Islamic terrorism. Similarly, the Palestinians. After 9/11, the Palestinians were oppressed, the Israeli government used the word Islamic terrorism. We all must again reiterate that there is no solution but a two-state solution in Palestine. East Jerusalem must become the capital of for the Palestinian people, and the Golan Heights must be returned as the 1967 borders, which all the international conventions, the United Nations resolutions say so. Similarly, I feel that in Kashmir, the people of Kashmir again have not been given their right to self-determination, as was guaranteed by the world community in 1948 through a UN resolution. The people of Kashmir recently have suffered a lot of oppression, and I do feel that us as a body, the OIC, must stand with the oppression that is going on in the Muslim world.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान ने कहा कि इस्लामी दुनिया साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की दौड़ में पीछे रह गई है। दौर जदीद के तकाज़ों से हम आहंग होने और मसनूई ज़हानत और ब्लॉकचेन जैसी टेक्नोलॉजी से इस्तेफादे के लिए मुसलमान मुल्कों और OIC को